Are you hyped for the iPhone SE 4? Can you imagine how it'll feel in your hands once it finally drops? Well, hold on to your seats because I've got something big for you, an exclusive leak that showcases the in-hand experience of the SE 4. That's right, we're talking about a video clip giving us a sneak peek at what this beauty might look like when it's officially released. Before we dive in, if you enjoy this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and show some love. It really helps me keep bringing you the latest and greatest tech updates. Now, let's get into it. Tech insider Pitfix, known for dropping accurate leaks, just shared a short video of a 360 degrees view of the iPhone SE 4 dummy unit. The dummy model is shown in white, closely matching the earlier Sonny Dixon images. From the back, we've got a rumored 48 megapixel single camera lens paired with a flash and microphone. The design, sleek and minimal, with a boxy shape and rounded corners that'll give you serious iPhone 14 vibes. On the right side, you'll find the power button. Sorry, no capture button here. The left side reveals the volume buttons below the classic mute switch, squashing earlier rumors about an action button. And the physical SIM tray. Yep, it's still here, sticking to the traditional approach. As for the display, the dummy features a notch design instead of the dynamic island. But here's the catch. Sonny Dixon's dummy units, which go for $100 a pop, might not be the final look. Another well-known leaker, Evan Blass, backed by Mac rumors, suggests that SE 4 could actually rock the dynamic island, much like the iPhone 14. Until Apple makes it official, though it's all up in the air. As for the release, the SE 4 and other Apple products are expected to drop as early as March or April. That means the wait isn't much longer. Some confirmed specs include the A18 Bionic chip, 8 gigs of RAM, a 6.1-inch OLED display, a USB-C port, and Apple's very first in-house 5G modem. Yep, no more heavy reliance on Qualcomm. So, what are your thoughts on the iPhone SE 4 dummy and everything we know so far? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.